Widgets are a lot of fun. If you go to your dashboard, under Appearances, you have a submenu called Widgets. Basically, what widgets do is when you go to your normal web page, like let's go to the one I've made here. You see all these different blocks of information. So here you have a search, and here you have recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, meta information, and here are my posts. Now what a meta or what a widget does, it actually contains a group of tools or features that you can just drag and drop. So for instance, here, this is my primary widget area and starts with search. If you look at the page, it also starts with search. It's quite easy to manage this in WordPress. But just dragging the search to another place, you see that it will also influence, if I refresh, the way the search appears in the right side column. And in the same manner, I can get rid of widgets. So for instance, let me just get rid of all these widgets up here. Now I only have a search widget, and let's try and get the RSS feed in. So here I go, and now I can just type in an RSS URL. I don't have one available, but let's go to a Dutch news site and see if there's one. Here's the RSS feeds. Okay, that's a standard one. I copy the path. I go to the URL. I say Dutch news. I can say I want to see 3 items. I'll leave this to be. I just say save. And it's that simple. So now in here there's an RSS feed, and when I press refresh, you see here are 3 news items that actually come from this site. So it's very easy working with widgets, and it's easy to add them, but also delete them, order them, etc., etc. When you upload plugins often appear as widgets. So, for instance, you could upload a Twitter plugin, and that might appear underneath all these standard widgets, and then you can also add the widget that was added by the plugin to all these different areas. Now, where the area is located on the page depends on the template. So in this case, I only have a right side menu bar, and apparently the primary area and the secondary area are all here. But it depends on where your areas are in the. It determines where, of course, the different widgets will appear. So if I would have a left menu or a left sidebar, the same Dutch news item could very well be located here. You can find a lot of widgets on the WordPress website. So if you press WordPress widget in Google, you see all these different widgets which are in there, and there are a lot of widgets. So have a lot of fun with the drag and drop widget feature in WordPress.